So how do you turn off the automatic volume down on your iPhone? Let me show you how it all works and what are some things you can do about it. So if you're new here on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the first setting page which you can check out is inside of your main settings like list and go to the Face ID and passcode. And part of that, once you authenticate yourself, you'll be able to see plenty of different toggles, but one of them is the attention aware features, and it even tells you what it does, that the iPhone will check for your attention, like if you are actually looking at the phone, and it can, as you can see, lower the volume of some alerts, right? So this can change the volume based on your feature, based on, depending on whether or not you're looking at the phone. So you might experiment with it. I personally keep it turned on, so that is something that you can most definitely check out. And there are also some like AirPods related settings where you can go to the Bluetooth section within your settings and locate your AirPods, right? And there should be the personalized volume somewhere. So try to find it there, and you can turn it off and turn off the personalized volume, which means that it will not go to different volumes according to its own preferences or decisions. So let me know if it helped you out. Let me know if that is the thing that you wanted to see on your phone. Subscribe for more tips and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.